The focus in our graduate program is basically on applied aspects of mechanical engineering. So we pay a lot of attention to the application of those projects and whether they're hands-on or whether they're software-based, so that students get a better understanding of how the knowledge that they learn in the classroom can be applied to real world, So that's why our program is titled Mechanical Engineering Technology, and that's how we try to sort of make our program distinct from other mechanical engineering programs. Mechanical engineering is divided into two branches, solid mechanics and fluid mechanics. So my interest in the lab, which is titled Complex Fluids Lab, is studying the motion of fluid flows. Okay, so these fluid flows happen widely in nature and industry. For example, hurricane is an example of that. The air that we breathe in, the blood that is flowing in our veins. So all of these sort of fall in the category of fluid mechanics. So we have a soft material, whether it can be a liquid or a gas, and it deforms under applied forces. So that is what we are interested to study in our lab. I tell my students, like, any field you pick, there is demand for mechanical engineers, and that's what enables them to pursue a wide range of careers. That curiosity element, basically, if we can keep that factor alive in students, I think we would be confident that they will do well once they graduate. My teaching style, to be honest, it has evolved over the past 7 years that I have moved to a method called student-centered learning. So students basically watch the videos that I have recorded on each lecture prior to coming to my class. So when we come to the class, we have a discussion at the beginning for, say, 15 minutes or so. I make sure I can hopefully answer if they have any question. And then after that, everything is pretty much fun. Like, we divide them into groups, and we just start solving problems related to that lecture. And I would be available to answer any question that they may have. So I think this method is a lot more interesting for both students and myself as the instructor. I think students in this new method of teaching, they take a more active role rather than a more passive role that they used to have in the traditional way of teaching. There is a phrase I once learned from a colleague, which always has stayed with me. Choose the job you love and you'll never have to work a day in your life.
There's a need for some diligence and self-discipline. And of course, if they're going in this area, they should have considered already the aptitudes that are required, mechanical aptitude, and some inquisitiveness to desire to want to know the various details about the machinery and the process for creating products using the machinery. I'm the lab manager, and with the title Lab Manager Instructional, I do take care of the labs insofar as I maintain the equipment, purchases for supplies and other accessories like that. And then I also help to train the teaching assistants on the use of the equipment before they actually get into the lab with the students. And I will assist with the labs on occasion with the equipment they may be using. And I graduated from the College of Technology. I've enjoyed working at the College of Technology because of the equipment they have. It's a very nice, congenial atmosphere with the professors and others who are working here at the College of Technology. And we do have some very good equipment and other programs, activities that the students can engage in to prepare themselves for a career.
If you know what you're trying to pursue, you have a goal, and then you will try your best to learn something new and then try to achieve this goal. On the way to achieving this goal, you're going to learn a great deal. That's the best way to learn, in fact, I think. Here, we are recruiting for the graduate program. come to us, we'll offer a lot of good opportunities in research.